be so tense.
Have fun with it, brother.
Hold your rope. Hold your rope, because it's going to pull across his back. Hold your rope. Reach down. Let go with his hand.
It'll be all right.
Reach down with his hand and hold it right here. And don't let any pull.
You got it, Danny?
Yeah, he got it. Go ahead. And don't let it come across his back, Bubba. There you go. How's that feel? Is that tight enough? More? You want more? Okay. Take your wrap. There you go. Squeeze your hand. Pull that thumb across the fingertips. Like that.
Is that good like I got it?
Pull that thumb across the fingertips. Just like that.
That's as far as I can get.
We gotta get over there. Okay?
Bear down, Bubba.
Hey, remember your home base? Remember getting your home base? Then tuck your chin, nod your head, and just don't quit trying.
Keep squeezing. Keep squeezing. Drop them feet when you call the gates.
Target
Reaching right
there
here
you
every
go.
time.
Keep them spurs to him.
Bear down, Bubba.
Hustle, 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 hustle. Hustle.
Ride him, baby, ride him!
Get away from the shoe! Get away from the shoe!
There you go, Bubba.
Did good, Bubba.
Good job, Bubba.